You're welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, let us understand how to make online share trading, that is how to buy the shares and sell the shares. So it is a web application project demo. So this project we developed using ASP.NET with C# language and backend as a SQL server. This is basically for the student who are doing a computer science course and as part of their curriculum they need to do a project. So this video will help them to understand like how you can make this particular project. So you all know like today's shares and buying selling it's little complex, but here we want to show you like how easily we can make this. I mean it's a simple version or in the beginning how one can develop this. That's the main aim of this video. So here how do we sell the share and how the user can buy this, how he can sell, all this has to be covered in this. So let me explain you what are the things we covered in this particular project. Fine. So this project basically to sell or buy the shares. So you have a shares here, company share. So now to manage this we can have a three module. One is admin module. So one is a company module. Other one is a user module where user can buy and sell the shares. In admin, a company can sign up, they can log in, they can sell the share, okay, initial shares they can sell. Actually in real time they'll have allotment, all the process and all. So we taken here is company has a share and they would like to sell the shares at the particular price. And the user can sign up, they can log in, so they can buy these shares, company shares. So this is the first step, we can buy from the company shares. Then you can have a share here, that share you can sell. So other user can buy that one, buy share. Then list of shares, what list of shares you are having, so that you can able to see it here. So company can see the average price, what is the present price of the share. So now admin is concerned, admin can able to view all the company list, user list, then company shares, then whatever is sold, whatever is purchased, all admin can able to monitor. So these are the things will be covered in this project. I'll show you like how this whole things works, how we have done this. I'll show the demo now. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And also if you right click on our channel, if you select open in a new tab, so here you can able to see all the videos. What are the videos we already uploaded? You could able to see. We already uploaded many project videos. So therefore they'll definitely benefit for you. So you can learn it and also you can practice, you can gain the knowledge. So therefore it definitely helpful. So please watch the videos here. Fine. Now I'll just move on to Visual Studio. Here we have Visual Studio. So we already opened the project, this online share trading. And here are the tables, these are the tables, and you need to run the project here. When you click run, the project will open. So now you can see that I have to open the project. I have logged into admin. So these are the admin options. Qualification, corresponding list, company list, which are the companies are already listed, that list will come. Then this is the customer list, overall the customers, that list is there here. Then available share list. So you can see that A1 want to sell 100 quantity at the 250 rupees price. Then purchase share list, overall purchase the shares, that list also is available over here. Now what we can do is we can copy the base address. We'll take to one more tab, press, then you can log in here. So now you can log in as a company. C1, so here is a company shares entry. If you want to release the new shares, you can enter the number of shares here, at what price you would like to sell, and what is the details of the issue like. Right. So now you can see that shares list is they already released 4,000 shares. In that 3,000, balance is 3,300. So rest of 700 is already sold. So this shows the present value. So what is the present value of the shares? So here it shows that share told, which are the shares sold, no, that step by step it's showing here. So these are things in the company. Now we can go as a user, and you see that how user can make the purchase and sales. So here you can enter and go to applicant or user. So you can sign up as a new user. If you already have the ID, you can log in here with the ID. So even they can see the companies, what are the companies are available. Company shares, as I told already, this company will have this many shares. So if you wish, you can buy these shares at the 200 rupees. So select number of quantities, 100, or let us make 500, okay. Buy. So now this person will have that shares, shell shares. So now you can see that you have 500 shares at the rate 200. Now if you would like to sell, so now we want to sell that shares. Before that we come back to company. So here you can see company share list. So here 500 is reduced. So these are the initial shares and they are reduced here. I think so till the company shares are sold, the price will be 200 only. Once these total shares are sold, then we can raise the price. So assume that the company shares are over. Now you have 500 shares and you would like to sell. So when you would like to sell, you don't want to sell it at 200, but you can fix up your price. Okay, you want to sell it at 500. Right. So now your shares will go for the other user. So then you can go to buy shares. There they are available. So here is a purchase share list. What is available with you, that is there here. Sold. So whatever is sold, if you already sold the list, that will come here. Send message, view message. Okay, you would like to send to others message and all. Now what we can do is we can log in as another applicant. Say B1. Now you can say sell shares. There are no shares to sell. Purchase share list, there is nothing. Sold, there is nothing. Okay, so this is a new user, nothing is there. So now you can go to buy shares, and here is a 500 into 500 shares. So you have to buy this. So your purchase successful. So it's only indicative. Now you can see that purchase share list. That will come to your list. Now you can able to sell this. Shell says. So when you would like to sell, so you have purchased at 500. Now you want to sell it at 600. So if somebody want to buy, they need to pay 600 rupees and then they have to buy. Otherwise they'll stay. They are in the pool. So till someone is buying, it's there in the pool itself. So this is how the whole logic works in the share trading. This is the basic steps. Right. So admin module. So this is the company module and the customer module. So these are three modules in this project. So hope you understand the concept. So we have separate videos like how you can make this individual pages, how to make login page, how to create the database, how to make the connectivity. All are explained in the different videos. So as we suggested, please go through this channel and go to videos and then browse the videos. There you'll get all the list. Thank you.